Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bacon-wrapped hot dogs. First, gather your ingredients: hot dogs, bacon, and any toppings you love. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure they cook perfectly. Next, carefully slice each hot dog lengthwise, but only about 2/3 of the way through. This creates a pocket for cheese or other fillings, making them extra special. Now for the fun part. If you're adding cheese or other fillings, gently tuck them into the slit you made in the hot dog. Then, take one slice of bacon and wrap it snugly around each hot dog, ensuring it covers the entire surface. If the bacon seems a bit loose, you can secure it with a toothpick. This keeps everything in place while cooking. There are several ways to cook your bacon-wrapped hot dogs to perfection. For baking, place them on a wire rack over a baking sheet and cook for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also grill them over medium heat, turning frequently until the bacon is crispy. Another great option is to air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once your bacon-wrapped hot dogs are golden and crispy, serve them immediately with your favorite condiments like ketchup, mustard, or relish. Don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings, such as pickled jalapenos or caramelized onions, to elevate the flavor. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.